Welcome, guys. Thanks for being here. Another day trying to survive to this beautiful market. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. I really wants to try the long position, but now you've arrived into the 3685. Only change my plan for open the sell. I will. So let's see what happened first. Now we are in the middle. Now we are in the middle. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened for. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Do you think gold would bearish after funk? Everyone is expecting like the interest rate finally um, will be cut. So by my side, I think prices will be go down. So, well, waiting, guys, waiting. Let me read the chat. Um, ok, Alex Castro está por aquí, mi amigo. Bienvenido. Willy Gómez, Tony Gata, Kerjam, of course, Pedro, Santiago, um, Mike, well, many people here. Doctor Coiva, desde España, mi amigo, un abrazo. I guess here, beautiful people here into the chat, so that's great. That's really, really nice. So, well, guys, try to help me with the Milan's is 36.77. That's great, my friend. 77 here. It was a good point. I was expecting at least the retracement to this candle, at least for a 36.72 for open the loan, but well, it didn't happen. And now it will test the volume cell sun. Okay, Farsan is here too. Yes, the good sun is there. So now we need to wait the confirmation here around the 36.84. Then we will try the position there. Yesterday, two quick trades. Long position for Tokyo, 52 pips, and a sell position in New York for 35 pips. Mhm. AC information is here. Okay, testing. The no, no, my friend. Trade is not it's not into the position here. Waiting the confirmation. Waiting the candle confirmation. So well, guys, try to help me with likes. Try to help me to share the stream. Remember now, we are waiting the confirmation. Estamos esperando la posición de entrada. Aún no vamos a tomar ningún riesgo. Tengan paciencia. The point is there, 36.84. Well, 36.85. Let's wait something like pin by reaction for open the sell position. And well, let's see what happened. Let's see what happened there. Good reaction into the position. But remember, we are waiting, guys. Waiting 10 minutes. This is the type of confirmation what I'm waiting for. A beam bar reaction. So, yes. Today is the funk. So take care. Take care of that position, guys. Use the proper lot size for your account. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Everyone is expecting, like the interest rate will be finally will be cute. So well, let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Jerome Powell, he can do whatever he wants. So well, we're still near to the point of entry. By my side, it's simple. If the interest rate is it will be will be good. The price will be it will fall. If we'll continue in the same, we continue the same thing, all-time heights, and that's it. As simple as that, guys. Is That's the reality that we have with the interest rate at this moment. Si se corta, vamos para abajo. Y si sigue igual, vamos a seguir igual. Nada cambia. ¿Qué significa igual? Haciendo máximos históricos. Sí, es sencillo. So, well, good reaction into the 36.85. That was great. We went to the price stay there, in 36.81, and that's it. Let's see what happened. Or if not, if the price go back, we can continue with the other plan, you know. We're open the long position. Well, at this moment, just waiting. Depends. Waiting the candle confirmation. So, well, 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes to get the confirmation. What's your views on Fed rate cut? Um, I think they will continue with the same interest rate. To be honest, I think they will continue with the same interest rate. Well, let's see what happens. Everyone is expecting like the interest rate will reduce, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Jerome Powell is like Donald Trump. He's so stubborn. Um, well, probably the decisions depends of Jerome Powell. Sniper is here. Welcome, my friend. One minute. Can we sell a lot of here applying the 50? No, my friend. We're waiting just the confirmation. The price, at least, it's a must to end near to the 36.82. So well, it's there. Mm, losing some pressure, but let's see. Okay, give us some volume. Okay, let's wait the retracement. Let's wait the retracement. Let's wait the retracement. We're open to sell position. But we need at least 36.85. 36.86 could be a good point. So let's be ready. Let's be ready. Let's be ready. Okay, we need to see like a little accumulation there in 1 minute. So waiting. Waiting. Esperando. Estamos esperando una acumulación de unas 2, 3 velas. Waiting the accumulation for at least 2, 3 candles. Testing again the 36.85. So we need one candle more for open that position. It's like great position, good reaction. Okay, some seconds more. Some seconds more. part of the action there. Probably around 36.84 could be a good point too. Looks like a little reaction, so let's try to the position. Just we got the good reaction, we got the accumulation. We're waiting the accumulation, guys. That's the old thing. What we need. So be ready. Be ready. 36.84 could be a good point. 36.85, of course, that's the best point. $36.83. Okay, retracement. Mm, okay, waiting. 36.84. Probably it will retest the 36.85. That's great. Okay, perfect. 36.85. Retesting the sun. Well, I'm into a sell position now. I'm into a sell position now. Take your own risk. Control the lot size, please. Okay, let me check here. Bam, 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 bam. Testing the point. 36.85. Sorry, 36. Yes, 36.85. 36 88. Remember, here in this channel, the most important thing here is the stop loss. So everyone be clear of that, please. Stop loss 36.88.90. 36.81. Working into the TPS. Be 73. Four. Good reaction. 36.80. Pretty good reaction. Let's see if we can continue with that reaction in the next minutes. It depends. For the 80. Okay. Let's see. Clarify this. TP1. P2. 36.77. 50. Too much. 3. Testing the point of entry again. So, well, let's see. 74 is the point. There's the point. Let's see the reaction. Okay, just let me clarify. 36.80, it's okay. 36.78. 78, that's 20. 36.78 and 20. So, well, the stop loss is there. Remember, use the proper lot size for your account. Today is a difficult day, not an easy day. We are working to the volume sell sun. So, let's see. Still there, respecting the point of entry. But now we have another deal here. It's a must to break the 3684 in order to continue for the for the for the position. So if you want to sell or follow the trade, don't follow, my friends. It's an option always. That's my idea. That's my volume sell sun. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we have for the next minutes. Still there into the point of entry. So must to stay there. Must to stay there. Remember, use the proper lot size for your account. Today is not a normal day. Today is a funk day. And this week, all this week, a lot of speculations. A lot of speculations about about today, for the decision, for the interest rate. So let's see what happened here. Let's see what happened here. The the position is still there, holding the same position. Pure patience. 3685. Testing the point. Still there in 3685. Continue with some pressure. Good reaction. But of course, we need more. This is not enough. This is not enough. trying to recover. Now it's an important point because we need to break the 3684. We need to break the 3684. That's important. It's really, really important to break that point. Little resistance, little support there in 3684. So, well, falling, falling so hard. 1 minute did already break it, but we need to break it in 5 minutes and 10 minutes first, and then break into the 15 minutes. Okay. So let's be clear. Even remember, even in this point, we can go straight to the stop loss. So if you feel the pressure, if you don't like the trade, if you take a massive lot size for your account, now it's time to clarify your mind and take the correct decisions. So let's see if the pressure for the sellers will continue. Was good. Some pips there in positive. But again, we need to break this point. The 0.5 is a must to be taken. The 3684 if we want to continue. In 3 minutes, it's already taken. In 5 minutes, just we need 3 candles more. And in 7 minutes, in 10 minutes, of course, it needs time. That's it. Good pressure. Testing the support. That would be difficult. Be patient. Let's see what happened there. We'll continue. Nice pressure. Holding the same position. Holding the same position. Radius is here. So well, just we need some pips more. 5 minutes ends with a nice pressure and it breaking that zone in 5 minutes. In 10 minutes, it's important to these last four candles ends near to that point. And of course, if in 10 minutes break it, we will find the break of that point into the 3684. So let's be prepared. Let's be ready. Let's be ready. Almost there. Almost there. 4 minutes. Elena is here. Hello, dear. So, well, almost there, guys. Just full patience. Last three candles, really important candles. Really important candles. Two minutes more, two candles more. We need to continue with this pressure. Carlos, un gusto, mi amigo. Todavía falta para celebrar, pero bueno, ahí continúa bastante fuerte. Last candle. Hmm. So, well, the last candle respecting the 0.5. Last candle respecting the 0.5, unfortunately. So, well, again, we need to wait the position. Wait the position, and let's see if The good thing is the pressure was enough, and the price is still there near to the 0.5. So well, waiting, waiting, and we need to wait around 50 minutes more for clarify this position again. So pure patience. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. I know some people already closed the trade. I know some people just take some partial or set the B. But well, the others I'm holding with the same stop loss, 36.88 at 90, and with the same TPs. Okay. Testing the point of entry again. Testing the point of entry again with a good reaction. So that's great. That's great. John Freddy Escobar, my friend. I don't work during the news. I don't work during the news. I'm not expert with the news, my friend. Still there into the point of entry. Even if you take a better position, the stop loss is the same 36.88 at 90, no more than that. No more than that, okay? No more than that, guys. Be careful of that. The others are still holding the same trade. Another opportunity for the ones who don't take the trade. Well, holding the same position. Let's see what happens. Remember, even in this point, we can go straight to the stop loss. So be clear of that. Be clear of that. So well, 3684. That's the point. What we need to break again. I prefer just the last five candles ends in red than the first 10 candles. As you can see, the last candle for the 50 minutes was beautiful. For 40 minutes, it was a beautiful red candle, and in 1 minute, it lose all the pressure. For that reason, I prefer just the last five candles ends in our favor than the first 10 candles. At this moment, we continue like this, holding the same position, pure patience, and let's see what happened. Remember, use the proper lot size for your account. Today is the funk. So the market have many um, volatility and indecision. Okay. Testing again the point of entry. 16, the point of entry. So the last 5 minutes. So everyone to see these 5 minutes. Good pressure for sellers. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. 3684. Point of entry again. I would say we have around 75% to the probabilities to touch the TP1. Online free income tips 3677 sell. Jesus, my friend, that's almost the TP3, my friend. That's too much holding. Why you hold more than um, 80 pips? 80 pips in negative. Shelton is here. Welcome, my friend. Mohammed, more than 5 years, my friend. I'm here with 5 years experience. Still there. Let's see if we can break this 0.5. That 0.5, it's important to break that zone. $36.85, that's the idea, that's the idea to, no, the idea is to break the 36.84, not the 36.85. Andres Escobar, I lose around $8,000 in the beginning. So if you're thinking to how much I'm starting in profit, no, I'm starting losses for $8,000. $8,000 in the beginning of my road. All my savings, all my savings. But well, it I learn and I understand. It's not an easy way. So well, 36.85. Testing with a higher pressure. Let's see what happened. We have reaction zone into the 36.86. So let's see if we can continue with that pressure or not. Now it looks massive. Massive reaction. So we need something good now. So well, let's see. So well, a little reaction there, but well, that is not enough. At least we need to go back to the 36.85 at least. For that reason, I explain you guys, like I prefer just the last 5 minutes end in our favor than the first 10 minutes, because that things could happen. The good thing is the 36.85 it's coming back again, so that's great. Let's see, and this is an example what I explained to the beginning. Like today, we will see some spikes, many spikes. So you need to take care about the lot size what you're using for your account, okay? Because we can see spikes for 30, 40, 50 pips with not too much issues. And always remember the stop loss is 36.88, okay? 36.88, it's the stop loss. So we're still there. The buyers defending the 36.85. So let's see if we can continue with the same pressure. But again, we need to break the 36.84 if we want to continue for the TPs, guys. For the background, remember my garden is a little big, so as of the every 2 weeks, I need the grave dinner, the grave dinner. Bueno, jardinero. And kid, I lose $4,000 in 2 months. It's possible, you know. You can lose everything in forex. You can lose everything in forex. It's difficult. It's difficult to live with that decisions. So well, Fahim, if you're starting with a 50K uh, funded account, that it's possible. That is totally possible. Remember, remember. If you are going to use a prop firm, first. Go into the propfirmmatch.com. There you will find what is the best prop firm in your country, what is the favorite prop firm into the for the people there. Many prop firms listed into the propfirmmatch.com. I will share the link into the chat. Just go there, read the information before you take any decision, my friend. So just go into the for him, just go for the perfectmatch.com, and of course you will receive the best discounts and the best offers into the market, my friend. So check the information there. I know it will help you a lot. Okay. So well, now we are still there, guys. I'm trying to break the 3685. It's a fight. So of course, testing the 3680 87 that I told you. This is one of our last point of reaction, 3687. If that point can give us a good reaction, probably we will hit the stop. Now it's pure patient. We're in drawdown, expecting a good reaction and go back to the 3685. Mm. So let's see. Account management is available. No, my friend, I don't manage the money of the people at this moment. I will open an investment plan, but for real estates here in my country. So the ones who wants to invest in for 7 6% per year, that would be the. I'm thinking about something like this, but I need to clarify first the plan. Of course, the legal things, everything for open my own. In, in, how can I say that in English? My investment options. You know, at this moment, just Telegram is the option. The Discord is for learn forex and gold, everything. But for the investment options, like okay, my savings is for I don't know $2,000. I would say okay, I will invest that $2,000 in real estate here in my country, um, because it's really nice. It's really nice. I don't want to be a trader, for more than 5 years more. I really want to start investing. I already have experience with the real estates here in Costa Rica. Uh, it's really easy. It's really easy to sell the houses here, the properties here. I'm found a beautiful places. It's really nice. So I'm working on that investments plans for the real estates, but it's not like you're going to receive, I don't know, 10% per month. You know, it's going to be like 6 7% 1 year for your investment. But better to just stay there in your money in your in your bank. You rent an Airbnb or booking in Costa Rica? No, my friend. I just bought the houses and sell the houses. For example, here it's really easy to buy a house in $20,000 and then sell that houses in $50,000. It's it's really nice. It's really easy, if you know the process. If you know the process, the legal process, of course. Yes, I need a lot of money. So for that reason, I'm preparing myself in the middle future for open that investments plans. But at this moment, I don't have the enough money. I don't have the enough like houses in my wallet. I would say the real houses. Um. Well, it's a good business in Costa Rica. Yes, but you need the land. I have at least 6 trees for avocados in my garden. It produced many avocados, but the avocado here produced here in my country, it's not that tasty. It Most of the avocado what I consume it's from Mexico. Mexico, my friend. It's tasty. That avocado is tasty. You have trading for a long time. You should have a lot of money. Yes, I have a lot of money, but not a lot of money to buy more than 2 houses per year. So I need at least per year. I need 5 or 6 houses for open um, a real investment fund. At least I need 6 or 5 houses per year. So yes, probably in a couple of years, I will share the investment plans, the real investment plans. How much lot size you trade? Today, I'd reduce it at minimum 0.25. Why I reduce it to the minimum? Because it's the funk day. Today is the funk day, so for that reason, um, I'm not taking too much risk. Okay, let me see the 1 minute. Now is the 36.85. The price wants to defend that point. This is the last 5 minutes. This is what I'm talking about. I really wants to the price just end with nice reaction, with a nice reaction for the last 5 minutes. For the last 5 minutes, let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. 50 key, my friend. 50 key. That's the prop firm what I have at this moment. Usually I use 0.40, 0.50. It depends. It depends of the day. But today I use the minimum 0.25. Your current account, mm, I would say it like around in a real money, like in bills, what I say, like around 30 key, something like this. So I invest another, in houses and everything. So I spend many dollars there. So for that reason, I I would say something like this. Like in this moment, around that quantity. I read the things. Are you trading component? We work from 500 dollars. So well, it's possible to do the 5,000, 5,500. Yes, 5,000, 5,000. It's possible. If possible, if you respect your account for $500, you can do it. With pure patience, my friend Mohammed Nafis, you can do it. Buenos días, Kareli. Estamos esperando ventas, ya estamos en venta. Querida, ya puedes, inclusive puedes entrar ahorita y traer un mejor precio. What is Canada? Mm, I'm busy and trades bumming out your language, so when well trading with 25 lot, it goes hitting you. Well, 25 lots, it's too much. At this moment, it's too much of lead for work with the 25 lots. At least I would say the near to $1 million. $1 million for use 25 lots. Is it really checking out the page? Yes, it's really checking. I don't know what is Canada. Canada. So testing again. This 36.84. This is the last candle. Unfortunately, the price will go back to our point of entry. Not too much, but well, at least we're still there. We're still there into the point of entry. It's a doji. So that what means? That means like the price is give us a reaction to the 0.5, but they're not able to pass the point. But the point is not stronger to they just grow up the price more than 36.87. So let's see. Now it's a fight. Now it's a fight between the 3687 and 3684. So we close the trade. Yes, sir. Now I'm holding the same position. Holding the same position. Let's see what happened. I'm okay with the. If you are not okay with the lose, guys, just close the trade. If you are okay with the lose, continue with the trade. I'm holding the same position. Holding the same position. Holding the same position. ACE. First of all, you need to use the link. To use the link. Then at least $200. So per room. Um, yeah, I think if you excellent, tactic, beautiful, beautiful. Congratulations for your friend, for your sister, for your sister. That's great, my friend. Beautiful, beautiful. Mhm, mhm, mhm. So yes, I think no one here, to be honest, no one here is using 25 key. For use 25 key, lots, um, at least I'm thinking 1 million, $2 million. Um, but yes, it's I think the people who use 25 lots, it's not here in this. Mm, mhm, mhm. First, yes, I already answer you, and it's the same. Today we're just going to take this one trade because the funk is coming. The funk is coming, so for that reason, um, yes, yes, 25 lots is for pro trading people with massive accounts. Uh, I don't think anyone here is using 25 lots, to be honest. Um, well, that's okay. If he's saying he's using 25 key, um, probably he can buy my house, he can buy my channel, he can buy all the accounts for the community. But I don't think like someone who are real using with the real money using 25 lots is here, to be honest. I'm afraid how much an average trade makes in a year. in a year. Well, it depends. It depends, you know. Last month, last year was awesome, beautiful, beautiful. Was a beautiful month, beautiful year. This month, this is the last year, for example, it wasn't around 60k, but this year is totally different. Since April was so difficult situations, then June, July wasn't not a good, not a good, not a good month. So well, it depends. It depends of the year. Sales killer block, my friend. Nice to see you here, my friend. Nice to see you here. Risking 10k for 20 lots. Mm, no, 20 lots is too much for 10k. Really, it's really, really it's too much. So well, again, testing the 3687. We need a good reaction here. We need a good reaction there. So probably in the next 7 minutes we will clarify. If we go back to the 3687, we will find a good position. If not, probably we will hit the stop. Good reaction at this moment. Trying to go back to the 3685. So it depends for the next candles. It depends for the next candles. 3685 again, so that's great. So well, going back to our point of entry. Hey David, how many funding accounts do you have right now? I just have one at this moment. Do you see the guy look like? Do you see that the guy look like you in this? Yes, that guy looks like me. It's really looks like me. Joe Ain. Very similar. That's great. Which company are you using for now for funding FXA5, my friend? I have another account in VT Markets, but that account it's in a drown down. It's in negative. Well, I think I opened two or three trades. I will lose that account, so I'm seeing what happened with that account. I'm not using that account for 2 or 3 months. I use it for the really bad months, the PT markets. Um, I lose it. I lose it. That Thunder account. I using the two accounts. I using the FXA file on the personal account into the PT markets. So they use the face. I use the phase two. The phase two. I have the phase two. I recommend always the phase two. Okay, papá. Okay, como. What is the topic with that Aditya? I don't understand. Phase two. Phase two. I always recommend the phase two. But yes, I'm trusting my position. I'm trusting my position, and for that reason, I'm holding. Let's see if it looks like a pin bar reaction. Let's see this. The last candle give us um, that pin bar reaction that we need. Let's see. Ending with a nice pressure. Here we go. We're holding. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. We need to break the 3684. That's the deal, guys. That's the deal. Do you think gold can be hit the 3675? Yes, I think we can. Chris Kowalski wants to set the TP in 3671. That's an option too. That's an option too. Let's see. My internet there is slow. Okay, I have London. I don't use the EMA. To be honest, I don't use that. Um, the EMA. I know some good strategies with these. Um, with these ones. So, but I don't like it. I don't like the EMA. EMA. So the probability to touch the TP1 at least, I would say the is around 70%. To take the TP1 and the TP2 around 70% in this moment, because this candle looks like a beautiful pin bar reaction, giving us a good reaction there. But, well, let's see. We don't know. And let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. What is the problem with the Canada? If the market fall, it healed the 3672. Well, let's see. At this moment, is nothing to celebrate. If you feel very stressful, if you feel like you're not comfortable with the trade, now you can reduce the entry or everything. Or well, just continue holding with me. Just continue holding with me. How learn your story? Sometimes we also need to do our own line analysis. Well, first of all, of course, I invest many hours in to clarify the volume position, and I use the volume indicator. This is the volume indicator. Is that bars what you are seeing here? That bars here, but it take me around 3 years to clarify how to use the volume bars. The volume indicator is easy to understand mm, if you if you if you understand the first um, the basis of trading, like the support and resistance, break of a structure, that type of things. Okay, so so well, testing again the 3684. Let's see what happened. So well, again, reaction. Remember, we need to break the 3684. That's the point. The thing is, we have around 2 hours to complete this trade. It's taking many hours to complete it. To be honest, I think we will continue with the same interest rate. So well, nice pressure finally. Nice pressure. Let's wait the reaction. Let's wait the reaction for the last 5 minutes for this trade. Okay. Finally, good pressure in 5 minutes. Looks great. Let's see what happened. Sniper Eagle is here. Elements is here. Viet Lee, a book $60. That's great. How long have you had this channel for, Rito? Richard, this channel it's around next February. Next February is going to see a second birthday for the channel. At this moment, it's 1 year, 7 months. 1 year and 7 months. So let's see if the price can break the 36.84 in the last candle. This candle is that like it's killing our intentions at this moment because always in the last minute it go back to the 0.5. We need to break that soon. We need to break that soon. Well, the game is trying to go back. Unfortunately, it didn't looks well. Uh, Losing the pressure again. In 5 minutes, it's already break that zone 2 times. 2 times. So let's see if this candle can give us a good reaction or not. Ten seconds, and again, it's a hard reaction there. So well, it can break the 36.84. Testing again the testing the 36.85 again. Well, testing the 3685. It's taking many hours, you know. Well, almost 2 hours. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Dre with the L is holding the bad long position. Then selling will happen easy. Okay, price is moving as ascending triangle. Even back to the 90s. Even to had massive swing upwards. Okay, and quiet. Hamster's quiet. So just holding the same position. I don't know. Some people is holding the trade because I know many people just close the trade in 3683. So well, testing again the highest prices in 3687. Let's see the reaction sun. The last of reaction sun is 3687. So let's see what happened. 3686 at this moment. Looks very clear. But again, reaction in 3686. Back to 3685. Trying to go back to the 3685. So, well, again, going back to the 3687. The last 5 minutes. The last 5 minutes at this moment. So, well, let's see if these 5 minutes can go back to the 3685 or not. If not, highest possibilities to touch the stop loss. Okay, trying to go back. 3686. Last 4 minutes. Okay, going back to the 3686. I don't know, some people is sharing me like promotions in Temu or by WhatsApp. Like, click here and you will receive a gift for free or something like this. Of course, I will block the people if you share me that type of spam. For because I never use Temu, you know, Temu. So, well, difficult position at this point. The last expectations for these two candles go back at least to the 3685. Let's see what happened. 3686 at this moment. Last 2 minutes. So going back to the 3685, so that's great. Let's see if we can see a little more lower price as near to the 3684. This is the last candle. So 3685. It's still there. So we got some pressure there for buyers. Okay, boy. Well, guys, my breakfast is ready. My breakfast is ready. So I'm going to eat and then back. Holding the same position, but not too much, to be honest. Remember, use the correct lot size. Sorry, the stop loss is there. 3688. I'm going to eat. I'm back. Okay. Relax, relax, and just continue using 3688.90. No more than that. Okay. I'll be back in 10 minutes, guys. So, guys, back. I was eating. So, what happened now? We need to break the difficult point here. We need to break the 3686 and then break the 3684 if we want to continue. Now looks so difficult, Looks really, really difficult to the entry. Still holding the same position. Well, let's see what happened for the next 20 minutes. We will clarify the position there. Three minutes. And waiting. Last candles in 1 minute. Yes, we are into a pullback. We're working the pullback. So the first point was great. But nice pressure. Nice pressure going back to the 3686. But well, nothing to celebrate at this moment, to be honest. Nothing to celebrate. Nothing to celebrate at this point. Because even in this point, we still um, too far to the 86, 85. The good thing, what is the good thing? The good thing is the price break the 0.5. And now we got like a little point of reaction here into the 36.87 again. So it generates some pressure to go back and give us 36.87 as a strong point. Waiting the reaction. Testing the 0.5. The idea is here starting in 36.86. We can continue for the TP for the point of entry. But well, let's see what happened. Holding probably many people is suffering a lot with that down. But well, guys, this is part of the day. As I explain you, it will be a difficult situation for the funk. Now it's just 1 hour and 10 minutes. We will see the decisions for the funk. Jerome Powell, everything. It's difficult. It's difficult. Well, it's part of the markets. What we have at this point. So waiting, waiting. Trying to retest the point of entry. Testing again the 3685. So that's good. Your trade first time. Tashanri. Well, this is a difficult trade, my friend. Difficult trade. Difficult trade. So let's see. Hopefully, this experience could be good. OSG, 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 why you are in 600 loose at this moment? What is your position? Long position, short position. Going back to our point of entry. So again, if you don't like the trade, if you can't resist the stress or whatever, you can close the trade into the point of entry. I'm still holding. I'm still holding the same position. I know it's a difficult trade, but let's see the last 6 minutes could give us something good. Last 5 minutes. 4 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. What's your bias? The thing is, 1 hour, guys, for the funk. So let's see what happened. At this moment, I don't have any opinion. Like, well, nice. But the thing is, now we need to break again the 36.84 in 15 minutes. It's important to break that point. 2 minutes. Again, testing the 36.84 with not a good results. Let's see the last candle. So well, um, nice reaction. Not that hard. Give us some volume there. Good. Good reaction there. We are here in 35 pips, I think. 34. Important point, did that resistance in 33 and 36.83. That's important to break that point. So that's great. But again, it's just, this is nothing if we don't touch the TP1. Almost there, guys. Of course, if we hit the TP1, it's time to be in break even. We are not going to risk too much, even if we are going to the funk, you know? Use the Gambucks? Yes, I'm use the Gambucks, my friend. That Gambucks is a must to break that zero. That point, that's stubborn point in 3684. Last 8 minutes, guys, and again, we need to break that point. We need to continue with this pressure. Not this is not good. The thing, what I'm doing right now, the price is not good. The thing is, we have less than an hour to continue with this trade. That's the. It's something what I don't like it. So we will wait this candle and one more, and then I will close the trade. If we don't touch the TP1, why? Because the funk is coming. Last 5 minutes. Four minutes. 4 minutes, guys. It's not about the rate kit, it's about the US dollar. The dollar will not gain strength because Powell offers no solution to real issues. That is the real deal, exactly. Correct, my friend. Will you extend the life? I'm here. I'm here. I'm trying to stay here as much as I can. Um Well, let me finish with the ads, guys. Remember, if you want more entries, sorry, sorry. Let's start again. Remember, guys, if you think for taking any prop firm challenge, just go into the propfirmmatch.com. There you will see the best offers and the best discounts for the challenge into the most recognized prop firm companies into the industry. So just go there, check the information, check the offers, check the discounts. Just go there. Um, Click into the link. I will share the link into the chat. Just go there and check that information. Take your decision with the all the rates, all the comments into the website for the propermatch.com. You will see you will find a really good information there. The link is into the chat. Well, finally, last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Come on, just one candle. Just we need 1 minute and one candle. 1 minute to break this point. This is the last candles. But if the price go back to the 36.84, that's not good. That's not good at all. Last seconds. Finally, finally, the price break the 36.84. Difficult trade. Difficult trade. Well, finally, the price break the 36.84. This is the last candle what I'm going to wait. If we don't touch the TP1, I will close it manually. If we touch the TP1, I will set the break even instantly. Let's see the reactions and let's expect the best results. Let's expect the best results. Even if you want to close the trade now, it's an option too. It depends. I admire the patience following the plan, Laurito. Adri Dubinin, my friend. Yes, it's pure practice, it's pure practice, pure patience, trust in my sons. That's all. I know many people here was in a low position. I know many people here was angry when we almost touched the stop loss. But well, the trade is there. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Sons of Odin, we fall, the hammer of fall from the sky. I'm glad it's an end. Okay. So well, it's trying to break the 3682. Okay, almost there, guys. Almost there. Just 3 pips more. 2 pips. And TP1, it's there. It's time to set the B, guys. We will touch the TP2. We will touch the TP2. TP2, it's now, guys. TP2, it's now. TP2, it's now. Let's see if we can touch the TP3. Break even. Break even and share your profits, guys. Share your profits. Share your profits. Okay, I will complete here. So I'm going to book some partials. Beautiful trade. The break even it's now. Break even it's now, guys. TP3 it's coming. Okay, share your profits, guys. Share your profits. Break even. It's now. Break even. It's now. Partials and break even now, guys. Break even. Partials and break even. 34 pips. Break even is not optional. Break even is not optional. 30, no, 49 pips. Congratulations for the ones who take the entry and be patient. Congratulations for the ones who understand we are doing trading. And sometimes it happens. Sometimes we have hard reactions. And, well, for that reason, we got the stop loss there. Okay. So, well, let's expect something good. Almost TP3. Partials and break even. 40%, 50% to take the entry, it's okay. And then the others in break even, guys. Difficult trade. So it's not optional to don't be in break even. Fahim, yes. For around 8 pips, the stop loss work perfectly. And well, hold him. I know, guys, it's difficult. Most of the times, it's very difficult when we're in negative. But if we hold the negative, now it's time to hold in break even. Okay? Book some partials, and the other just hold the positions. I know many people was angry for the drown down, but the drown down is there, and the position was there. And sometimes it happened. For that reason, we use this as a standard stop loss. We need to see a reaction in less than 40 pips. If we don't see a reaction in less than 40 pips, probably the price will not change. Okay. So, so congratulations for the ones who take the entry around 36.87, 36.86. And well, just this is an example what I do, in trading. It's pure patience, guys. I just ignore the most of the time. I ignore the negative people, and well, most of the time I'm going to win. So so for that reason, I'm in front of 1,000 people every day. Thousands of people come to my channel. If you are respectful and share your ideas with being respectful with me and with the community, you're more than welcome. If you accept the stop loss, if you will follow the rules, hold the positions with a proper lot size, everything, you will be fine. The people, that's the for the people in Telegram is the same. If you follow the instructions into the Telegram, your account will with no pressure, but you need to follow the instructions there. It's I know it's difficult. I know it's difficult. Um, but well, if you respect the rules into the Telegram, everything is going to be okay. If you respect the rules here, your account will be nice. So well, this is the deal. Now we have a high volatility. Let's see the reactions. Are you going to tell me on basis what you decided for this trade? Love it, man. Part Galotra. My friend, I use a standard stop loss for 40 pips. I take care of a point of entry if it's good. That's it, you know. So, this for the high for to find. Mhm. 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 So, well, her reaction now. Remember, we are break even. Why we are break even? Because the funk is coming. The funk is coming. The funk is coming. We already do more than 50 pips. Yes, part the BIP group received more entries. For example, Tokyo session we made around 52 pips. It was just for the big BIP group into the Telegram. So yes, I promise at least 2 entries into the Telegram. My 2 entries for Telegram was done. Top is here. Well, thanks, my friend. So well, we are trying to go back. Here we got the point of reaction into the 3684 in favor for the pre-sellers. For that, not sure. Not sure. 30 minutes for the funk. So so well, it will hit the beam. Let's see the reaction there. Hopefully, everyone follow the instructions. As I said, the break even, as the set the break even, set the take the partials and everything. For that reason, I explained you guys when we were in 3679. It's a must to take some partial. And for the reason, I was quiet a little because I was doing my stuff, my accounts. Okay. So set the break even, set the partials. It's part of the strategy because today is not a normal day. We almost touched the stop loss. Then the stop loss give us 60 pips in positive. And well, that's the that's a day like today, guys. It's a funk day. It's not easy. It wasn't easy. The ones who stay here for some hours saw the the trade was difficult. The trade was difficult. It was difficult to take the decision to open the sell into the 3685 too. So so well, congratulations for the ones who hold the trading break even, the ones who take some partials, everything. The information starting now will be a difficult point. So so well. Um, my friend, just contact me if you want to contact me by WhatsApp. It's not for free. Just is a $79 1 year subscription, guys. $79. Here is the title, It's a Telegram price, 1 year subscription for $79. It's not for free. Oh, well, break even, guys. Break even. Break even. So the break even is there. The break even is there, guys. So now, hopefully, everyone just close the trade and break even. Okay, just close the trade and break even. Why you need to close the trade? Because your own power is coming. Your own power is coming in 20 minutes. So Uncle Powell will not respect your account. Um, Most of the time, if you are going to trade with Powell, he will destroy all your accounts, guys. So, well, guys, for example, if you have a very position in 3687, just set your break even, set the break even and hold. But but that's it. Don't enter any position now. As I explained, you guys, Jerome, it's coming for us. So please respect your accounts and respect your money. By my side, that's all. The ones who are interested for the Telegram, Signals, Tokyo, and New York session, $79, 1 year subscription. I'll be back in Tokyo session. Remember, Tokyo session is just for the people in Telegram, and I'll be back here for New York session tomorrow for see what happened with the decisions for the Jerome Powell. By my side, always is a pleasure, guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for always the good people here like LMS, Graham, Niga, Sniper, my moods, always supporting me. I really appreciate that. And well, there's many people into the chat today, and many people angry, many people happy. So well, this is the life in trading, guys. Sometimes it's happy times, sometimes it's sad times. Today wasn't the too much pips, but well, 50 pips. Um, if we mix the trade sim for Tokyo and today, it's around 105 pips for Telegram. So that's great. In positive. So that's nice. Just the elections for the day, the rule for the day. Be patient, guys. Um, will be reach one day. But that work is it's with pure patience, guys. It's with pure patience. That's all. For the people, the Telegram is the same, guys. Take the entries, respect the route, the instructions, what I share into the Telegram, and respect always, always, always. Uh, um, always respect the stop loss, guys. Always respect the stop loss. I'll be in Mania. Yes, if you pay me, I will share the link for give you the access. So well, guys, thanks for the support. Stay safe. Don't trade during the funk. Don't trade during the funk. Respect your money. Respect your accounts, and of course, respect yourself. See you soon, guys. Back for the people into Telegram for Tokyo session. Back here tomorrow in New York session, guys. Thanks for the support and thanks for understand. Thanks